The sound of the train goes choo-choo. Oh guys, it's hard to walk. Choo-choo. I have a bike too. Now we are flying a drone. Oh look! We meet again.
Apple. It's cold out here.
Ooh, blue and purple.
I'm cold, guys. I'm a wimp.
Inside somewhere. It's blue and purple.
Oh, right now I'm cold.
I can do. No, wait. Oh. Okay, fly it.
Hold on.
It's upside down. Oh look, there's Derek.
Why is it upside down?
What? My shorts. And my sandals. And my flops. Are you really that cold?
Yes.
Why?
I made a sick of
What?
the cold.
Holy crap, that got
You went flying.
What?
I made a sick of I'm cold.
You're cold. I dropped my hot pocket.
Oh, it's alright.
Derek, this is the first person view, point of view right here.
You going after?
No. You are going.
Ready? You gonna take off?
No!
Come on!
Isn't that funny? That was loud. I feel ashamed. I feel bad.
What do you think about this? What do you think about this? Is that what you think?
How? Okay, so you jump into that with heels or what? What do you do when you jump like?
What this? What this? This? Oh god, I'm afraid to land on rocks. What, this?
Yeah.
Yeah, you just jump in. Yeah, your heels.
There's right.
Hold on.
I can't do it. Ah, I'm scared.
No, he wants to.
It's like that. Is that
Yeah. Oh! Just.
It's cold out here, bro. It's like almost December. Look at this. My back hurts.
Oh, never mind.
My back hurts.
Look at the sky. Look at that sky. It's not driving, it's flying.
Make sure you don't go up.
It's gonna go towards the end.
Oh, God. Yeah, sure. Why not?
Because
Oh god.
It'd be funny if I caught that film.
If you think you're gonna drop it, get on
What?
This is a 4-minute clip right here of no talking.
make sure you
How do you like it, huh?
I like it.
It's gonna drop that way.
I'm just gonna show you. So
Oh Jesus! Oh my god, my hair's gonna cut off. So where's it going, Jerry?
that was really cool.
Yatra?
Yeah. Watch the telephone wires and the cars.
The wind is too strong! Hi, Corey! How's it going?
Here.
Did you turn it off?
I'm deadly, aren't I?
Yeah, you
Oh
are.
god. God.
Yeah, geez.
Look. Oh god.
Watch the cross.
Can't let it drop like that.
Thank you.
Well, when you
That's close to the rock.
Whoa.
Whoa! Whoa! Easy now, easy.
Whoa.
Easy peasy lemon squeezy.
Here, look how long this is. Okay, just.
don't go full like that,
Bye!
because that makes it.
Whoa! Oh, you decided I'll drive it. And what
Out
did you
of my
do? You dropped it.